guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert a text box to your Excel file created on the office.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and start creating your Excel file. Then you should tap on this insert button at the top of the screen on the left side. Then tap on text box in the middle of the screen at the top, and here you can see a text box has been inserted. At the top of the screen you can select from a bunch of colors that you can fill in your text box. You can make it bigger and smaller by dragging one of the corners. You can also outline your text box. You can select from these colors, and basically that's it. You are free to type in your text, and you can also set the formatting information in terms of the font size, alignment, and so on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.